You told me to get some video. So, gosh, cabin fever set in. I'm not even sure what day it is anymore. I think it's Wednesday. The snow's still falling. The shoulder out of commission. Marissa the trooper out shoveling snow. You can see that pile of snow that she's shoveling on top of is almost as tall as she is. She continues to dig us out. Up and down the street. Nothing but snow. You can see a little bit of black sticking out down there. That's my car. The pile of snow around it almost as tall as the car is itself. Mr. Bill's driveway. The whole thing is crazy, man. It's all crazy. It's all crazy. Ay, ay, ay. Blizzard conditions. I hope you're not staying out here much longer. Oh man, it's up my shirt. Let's take a walk to the back. I gotta show you this. I'll open up the curtains here. Take a look at the back deck. I'm right here, 80. There's the back deck. That's waist high right there. You can see the peak over here is probably up to my chest. The whole thing's got to average at least 3 feet deep all the way around. Winter Wonderland out in the backyard. Another view. Frosty. Frosty.